So I purchased this little mini fridge for my cubicle at work. I just put it here in my craft room to test it out, and it does work. To me, it does seem a little cheaply made than the one I actually have at work, which is about maybe this tall. It's a little bit tall, a little bit shorter. However, I needed something with a second shelf, so it does come with another one, and it goes here. So then you have 3 rows. However, I wanted something to be able to fit tall things. So for work, I'm able to at least fit a salad and a sub sandwich in there. And I'm still able to hold 2 drinks. And here I would put maybe salad packets, salad dressing packets in here. So yeah, it does work. You can hear that close. To me, it does work, and it does close, like I said. However, it's not a strong close like I would wanted it to be, like my other mini fridge, but it does work and it does close. It's just not that strong, like kind of like refrigerator suction-y type close that I would have liked. But all in all, it does what it says it does.